Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off stolen device protection without Face ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and I want to turn off your stolen device protection without using Face ID, so let's see how can you do that. And once you have turned on, you just have to open your settings, and here you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular. And now you just have to go back and open your settings, and then go for general, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you haven't connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And once you have done, you just have to go for the privacy and security, then select location services, then go for system services, and then go for significant locations. And here you just have to turn it on, and then you have to go back and go for Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode here, then scroll down until you find the option of stolen device protection. You have to turn off this toggle, but it will recognize you with your Face ID. So you have to try again and again until you get the enter passcode option here. So you have to select that and then enter your passcode, and it will be turned off. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have enabled significant location, because you can each only do this step on your own location. So you have to make sure that you have enabled significant location, and then you can easily turn it off without using your Face ID. So you have to wait for this, then try Face ID again, and then you'll get the option of use password or passcode. So you have to select that and enter your passcode here, and your stolen device protection will be disabled. So in this way, you can easily disable or turn off your stolen device protection without Face ID in any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.